Welcome back guys. In this session I'm going to show you how we can do this particular star pattern. Okay, so first whatever pattern you get, first put a box around it and write down how many rows you want and how many columns you want. Okay, I have taken I as rows, number of rows, and j as number of columns. So first let me write down the loop for I. So I'm going to write it here that I is going to start from 1, I should be less than or equal to 5, then I plus plus. Then inside the I loop I'm going to start a j loop which runs 5 times. Okay, so j also will start from 1, j should be less than or equal to 5, and j plus plus. Okay, so once after this is done, here, okay, write down on which indexes of j you want to see the stars. Okay, see, I just want the star to be only at 1. Okay, j index 1 I want to see the star. Okay, and you have to write one j conditional statement for that j should be less than or equal to 1 itself. Okay, it should not be 2 3 4 5. Here I don't want to see in these columns. Okay, so that is the logic here. Okay, next when I equal to 2 means when the line changes. Okay, so I want to see the stars at 1 and 2. So write down those two like this, indexes where you want to see. So here the j conditional statement for that is going to be j should be less than or equal to 2. Then when the line changes again, okay, when I equal to 3, I want to see the stars at 1 2 and 3 indexes of j. So write down those three numbers. Okay, so the j conditional statement for that is going to be j should be less than or equal to 3. Then only I should see the stars. Okay, or else it should be spaces like this. So next when I equal to 4, I have to see the stars at all the 4 indexes like this, 1 2 3 and 4, not at 5. Here there should be space. So here the conditional statement becomes j should be less than or equal to 4 and not 5. Okay, when I is 5, j should be all the values of 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so here the conditional statement becomes j should be less than or equal to 5. Okay, so here we have mentioned one if condition, that is the final if condition for the j values. Okay, so if I say j should be less than or equal to I, okay, so this is the condition which will print the stars. Okay, or else, okay, it has to print a space like this. So in double quotes we are going to literally print some space like that. Okay, so once that is done, after the j loop it is going to change the line like this, system.out.println. Okay, so let me write that program over here. So I'll come inside the j loop and write down this final j condition. Okay, final if condition for j, that is if j is less than or equal to I. Okay, only in that case you have to print the particular star. So here I will say system.out.print. Okay, and this has to be only print, not println. So I will come here and double quotes I'm going to say star and else. Okay, the same statement I have to print again, but this time we have to say we have to print some space. So inside the double quotes I'm going to literally give some space like this, and here. Okay, so here is where the j loop is going to end. So here let us write down system.out.println, system.out.println this time. Okay, because we need to change the line. Okay, so now let us save it and run the program, and we are going to get a perfect triangle shaped star pattern. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video guys. I'll see you in the next topic.